And when she needs you, when she doesn't need you, when you're annoying to all of us, you're still there. And that's what makes me confident actually na Madam will be taken care of. So, So I know that Madam is in good hands because I have seen how much you take care of her. And I guess our friends can see that as well. So, guys, so this message is basically to thank you for loving Bats this much and continue to love each other. And I hope that you renovate that room so that I can move in when I grow old. I know I'm running a room ha, taking aircon. Really, there's no growing old for us guys, just sunsets to yeah. So, this year has been such an experience for all of us, for all our friends. And this wedding, this union is like the cherry on top of an amazing year. So congratulations you two. Finally, cheers, cheers.